Hello, in front of me I've got Crosscall X Vibes. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of your headphones. Right here we've got the plus and minus button. Use the minus button to decrease the volume and use the plus button to increase the volume. Also, thanks to plus button we can turn the headphones on and off. Right here we've got the multifunctional button. Press it once to play pause music. Press and hold it during song for 2 seconds to skip to next song. Also you have to press plus button simultaneously. To return to previous song, press multifunctional button and minus button simultaneously for 2 seconds. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.